Whether it's keeping interiors clean and tidy, charging your devices on the go, or connecting your smartphone to your vehicle, these cute car gadgets and accessories will have you covered on your motorized travels. So just keep watching Gadget Babe video until the end to discover the 10 most adorable and inventive gadgets you must have. Number 10. Bling Bling Car Accessories. This Bling Crystal Design Car Gadgets kit comes in a collection of 5 car accessories, which includes a phone holder. This holder is of high quality, attractive, and flexible to fit a variety of phones and sizes. Car accessories are a must-have in our vehicles. God forbid that our phone's battery dies. With this dual power car charger, you can charge your iPad or cell phone while also adding a little sparkle to your vehicle. The 2 USB smart ports allow you to charge 2 devices at the same time. A 3.9-foot nylon charging cable and 2 pieces of string ring logo sticker, all of which are decorated with rhinestones, contribute to the elegance of your automobile while shining brightly in the sun. Number 9. Adhesive Car Door Protection. If you've ever dented your car door while going out of your garage, here is the solution. The Automotive Door Protector from Starling Auto is the best door edge guard. Its cushioning is thicker than its competitors at 7 mm and broader at 25 cm, and it's all you need to adhere to your garage wall to ensure any hit has your car door guarded. The unique cushioning is 7 mm thick and securely covers your door from all that misery and annoyance. You can easily cut the foam to any size you desire. Then, just make sure the flat surface is clean before applying the car door protector. Number 8. Pink Leather Steering Wheel Cover. A steering wheel cover may appear to be an aesthetic addition to install, but aside from beautifying the driver's seat with some colorful personalization, here are a few practical benefits. This mysterious pink steering wheel cover inner ring is composed of highly non-slip rubber, with a patterned mesh that is securely attached to the steering wheel. Its remarkable microfiber leather provides significant heat and scratch resistance, as well as a warm steering wheel in the winter. Number 7. Echo Auto Alexa for Car. The Amazon Echo Auto extends the majority of Alexa's voice assistant features to your vehicle. With a simple voice command, users can play audio, get turn-by-turn navigation, make phone calls, shop on an online store, and do other things. It's a pleasant change from messing with dashboard controls or your phone. The Amazon Echo Auto is one of the smallest Alexa-enabled devices on the market, weighing less than 2 ounces and measuring only 3.3 by 1.9 by 0.5 inches, making it ideal for your dashboard. Number 6. Car LED Cup Holder Lights. LED Cup Holder Light Kit is a simple addition that adds some color to the interior of your vehicle. The gentle glow at night allows you to see where you're placing your drinks while still looking amazing. When the luminous cup pad detects vibration, it will immediately turn on in the dark, and it will switch off in 15 seconds if no vibration is detected. Number 5. Mirror Dash Cam Front and Rear Camera. When compared to typical rear-view mirror dashcam, Wolfbox 170 deg front and 140 deg rear lens provide an extra-wide view, decreasing blind areas for safe driving/reversing. With the clever screen split capability, you may view dual lens displays at the same time. The body is smoother and more ideal for the curvature of the human retina with a 2.5D curved screen. Because of its OEM appearance, the mirror camera blends in seamlessly with the current mirror. The Wolfbox Mirror Dashcam, which has a high-quality chip embedded in, films front and back in Full HD 1080p resolution. It can record at a resolution of up to 1296p when only the front camera is used. The automobile camera used an updated low reflectivity LCD to lessen reflection during the day. However, 6-layer glass lens improves night vision. Number 4. Cleaning Gel. The Tick Earth Cleaning Gel is ideal for getting into the nooks and crannies of your vehicle. This car dust cleaning gel effectively removes particles from gaps. This inside car cleaner is easy to use. Simply roll cleaning gel into a ball, gently press it into the automobile vent, and then draw it out to remove the dirt. This cleaning gel can get into every crevice of your device, fully cleaning it of 97% dirt and particles. Skin-friendly auto cleaning gel is manufactured of high-tech cleaning gel substance with a lavender scent, is non-sticky to the hands, and can be used confidently. Number 3. Pet Car Seat Cover Protector. Almost every dog owner will agree to the difficulty of maintaining their vehicle's inside tidy after traveling with their pet. Car leather appears to be a magnet for dog hair and will require frequent vacuuming to stay clean. The alternative is to install a protective pet dog seat cover. It not only guards your rear seat, but it also shields the door from scratches. The side flaps on both ends can allow your dog to get in and out of the car comfortably. Installing and removing the dog seat cover takes only a few seconds. You can clean it with a vacuum cleaner or a damp cloth, and your pet seat cover will appear brand new. Number 2. Power Tiger Car Rubbish Bin Hanging. The Power Tiger multi-purpose bin is not only a car waste bag, but also a practical car organizer. This external storage bag could also serve as a travel cooler bag. The insulated waterproof liner retains ice, allowing drinks and food to stay cold for hours in the car or during a picnic. With a flexible quick-release buckle strap that can be drawn to a length of 23 cm, this car garbage bag may be hung anywhere, including door grips, headrests, or placed on the car floor. Number 1. Magnetic Phone Holder for Car. This Matey Magnetic AIR Vent Phone Holder is the best car accessories addition you can have. 4 powerful built-in magnets can firmly hold any device, even on a rocky route. Simple to install, one-handed operation, a clean and compact design that won't impair your view, and a 360-degree rotation that permits you to choose the optimal angle. The claw for mounting on an air vent is composed of soft rubber, which protects the air vent from scratches while simultaneously providing a firm hold. So viewers, this was it from today's video. If you liked our video, then do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that red bell icon to stay updated. Till then, goodbye.